Now, Yembra, the senior national football team, the Black Stars of Ghana, you best spend a lot of the time with Kwasi Asante with them about tell. Who's that coach Kwasi Appiah Eddie ne squad about to 24-man squad you go face Kenya Africa Cup the last game ti nyame adoma Kwasi da ebe Ohenijan Akopramano so anasa Crash Sports Stadium how that game no eba so na ye nyina ye hwe nim say kwan bia so no Black Stars everybody home on. I mean Kwasi Appiah I to the boy afraid some new players be new faces be abeshem be say Caleb Ansa Ekuban Kumasi Asante ko for players me say etme again call up into the Black Stars ni nyina there yeah now and then now what pepe and a game no eba so don't forget say national team no national teams mienu na ebebo on that very day Accra Sports Stadium that would be Black Meteors versus Gabon and sana about 3 p.m. 6 p.m. na Ghana Black Stars so any Kenya forum that is the itinerary and I say program Edema Black Stars. This week so normalization committee at the new Black Stars management committee so manage Black Stars affairs from now to the time you call the Africa Cup of Nations and before woman Dr. Keke Sapon or Pegina or that GMPC or na chairman of the Black Stars management committee and I feel you Perry Okujeto Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports and I feel Mr. Francis Asenso Boachi or your Deputy Chief of Staff and you Madam Abena Osei Asare or your Deputy Minister for Finance and I feel and also MP for Atiwa East and then Ibrahim Sunday a former footballer. Now we be say Adena Black Stars Management Committee a full of deputy ministers and chief of staffs and political appointees and all that. Well, we don't know the brain behind. There's only one true and true football person, the person of Ibrahim Sunday. Yanshe, say here, Master Banson. These are the people also managing Black Stars affairs for that dream of winning the Cup of Nations. No, so Egypt 2019.
So, let me start from your question. Why this political imperifoning has a big brain? Almost 70% free the political background. I think the Black Stars need help for the past years has been issues with money. Either it is winning bonuses, either say Sikarbi and Kudu, either say places on PCB and farm more money. So I think that is the reason this time 24 years. But once 24 you get Deputy Minister of Finance. So he is supposed to take in charge of that and channel the money.
Okay.
Then who will be say Dr. Keke Sapon. Also that GMPC. Which we all know say GMPC there and the blaster who buy the bonuses some comes from the majority comes from there. So also that only lucky for us so he's coming as a football person now. If Senga your father maybe 10 years ago it might be a different issue, but now he's coming as a football person.
Yeah.
Then you get Ibrahim Sunday, once African best player of the year, one of the best players in Africa, they live in Ghana. So also
the most successful coach so far as Kumasi Asante concerned.
So you also back from the background of footballers like Asan me feel say with this setup, a be clear intent say Ghana want to win the AFCON.
Okay.
This with some 24 way, yes, almost bow Chibayan. And what AFCON.
But it's about managing the players.
Yeah.
Can they speak the language of the players?
I think Dr. Keke Sapon now understand football better. Just like I said, I think Ibrahim Sunday have the respect. No player in a team where so team can say or couldn't know like Kasabaka's own team. Then if you look at which say sports minister deputy, almost say from the sporting side, almost be yes, but I think it put pressure on the coach, then the players, especially Samuel Jain, then the captain. Ibrahim Tenko, Kwasi Appiah, because the setup near certain Chelsea you have to go and win. And he also telling me something say Ghana, I think football beyond what we see. Because some people in but that football blaster and so manage blasters kaka. Then also I think football they get something better we don't know.
No, but you must know because you know say football no a day or mind didn't quite say.
Yeah, that mileage you can never take it out.
Yeah, that's it.
But I think and everybody they don't mind questioning but said who from deputy chief of staff to one the sports minister, finance minister, GMPC to one of the greatest footballers tells you that football no Oman Penny said it can give us something better, but maybe they've decided not to do that.
Okay.
So I think I mean, Mr. Kosia should be very careful with the selection of players. Because I'm tempted to believe that they'll pump in the money. So Kosia should come out with any recommendation be officially to Abuano. But I doubt this management team. Someone to football is simple. They are ready to learn and they will do everything to support the senior national team to win something.
One of the things I see and it's normally it's a Black Stars coach, you know, AFCON say now or the squad now. One of the things I see is he must justify every call up. Why I want every single player. And normally no, management committee in the frame say Coach Bra. What the 23-man squad about. I didn't think I would choose goalkeepers me in some way. I didn't think I'll fight defenders way. I didn't think I'll fight midfielders way. Now he must justify every single call up and defend it well. And Sana, you submit a list, you know, and they are calf for the tournament. It will be say with these people, the questions may not be sir. How does the coach justify the call ups now to sample if we abana or say asaria me no you can't work Easter a side and Sana at Iwa West Kwaben side hormo. So I know her at the time I know you more bank hormo no or say assembly woman. Minimum the knowledge in football. Or they could be or they call crazy kwesiapia. I'm gonna defend no I'd say no. But of course, coach knows best because they cannot also impose anything on the coach. You draw that line. Baba, just a quick assessment of some management committee here for me.
Yeah, could you Papa Bakwa and then me pesa me the yellow part and say Okati put me pesa was son.
Mekati.
Me the whole Psalm 91 enterprise was okay. I'm an ashada show. Up to the was ya show pa. I'm out the more Psalm 91 enterprise. Exactly. Could you say Oshe the management committee aba? I think said the deficiency in management committee na hard drink kakra under 17 ko Niger. Nya any competent management committee ekoye basa. GH and under 20 ko nya a competent management committee ekoye basa. You host to the women AFCON krum ha e boka honorable Isaac Asiama na aban etimi make sure say infrastructure gu akwan mu ayeye without management committee you say dey ekoye trokan ho. So I'm very happy in the first place say Blasters there nya a committee able foresee the management of Blasters as far as the African the AFCON is concerned. Me ne wo ya adwen pa say nanka bia e wasanka ban san give it a retort say ma ban yi mu nkofo anka bia exceed the language football ase no e nanka me de won beba ohwe honorable Abena Osaya Sare deputy minister of finance we banker by profession and there are some technicalities if the management is in store also mutimi how do I supervise it business I was saying coach and the technical team about justify why each player was given a call up and minima me Abena Osaya Sare our deputy minister of finance for this republic ni nim dia war football mu internet akwasi apia sebim predia so manusi sumina so ebetuma to futuro bi egu ma me nani a ontumi kojo so adwuma ayeye
so on top of
yes kojo unim sa na nu dum so kakra abai ne afro we yi CU se PDS ya kojo ko ade na akwache wo utese wo de okotena ho ahwe bi ya keke yemfa obi te say this deputy chief of staff Mr. Asenso Boache ono de abra na yegu so ebe form the normalization minim say contingent e ko Zurich no he was a member.
Okay baba, you have to hold on for me because I see a quick commercial break nearby. Yeah, we have commercial Sante Kodoko to discuss. They are going to tell Nafi, yeah, the Kodoko, we shall for year basis here. Okay, so live on Adom TV, and when you go so air channel, you go so edit my dinner, bro, and Chibiana, banner we now. What do you say? Color party no koso Adom color party no koso na woni bibi hwe ye beko Efua Sutherland Children's Park na yakɔhwe sɛde igya no ball ho wodi ase amanfo akogu Efua Sutherland Children's Park mo amanfo repe in their colors bulk majority enya sem keto akra ye nya signal na ye beko na yakɔhwe de koso ɛwɔ Efua Sutherland Children's Park ewo Adom Color Party dwumadi no ase. Well, Agoro Ne Fom when he goes to ewo Adom TV. So now quickly di commercial asante kotoko nkomo kakra. E dey bade na kotoko ye a bit more team kunim because they're very simple. Their job is cut out for them. Win and qualify. No if, no but.
I think that it goes with 2 or 3 points. One, Kotoko should start believing they can win games away.
They should start believing.
It's a winning away game. Because it's been a long time. Winning away game. And if the players have that mentality, say, away, definitely, it looks like back to normal corner, end up in fiasco. Which I think say they should also believe say Zesco for Omudi from Bias had said the number for Zesco in KFB before say you started this tournament. So with the team on born even games or about Ahila to call about draw near the and if you look at 2 games only Ahila ball even though one pick 3 point but some amount GDA say you can go there and win. I also believe say Kotoko by now my year off the pitch issues be which some might be non-football, some might be unusual in terms of say but it's very important in football. Now, what I Kotoko for if he's a very with my checks then researching and Zesco so they are yet to lose a Champions League CAF game at home. In the young can and one was record they would like to say defend the South. So when you defend on that makes the game a little bit difficult kakaba. Which I think say Asante Kotoko should be very careful. Say we standing everything. Nobody say Jesse Ray money and they are very sharp attackers. Team. Moment concede so that they should get that early goal now. Yeah, in the first 30 minutes. I don't know. That early goal is very important. So we need to early goal now. A boost your confidence to go for it and so on. I also feel said they will be missing that key players number 15 anymore. If it's the Sonny Yakuba, who is very influential, the most influential player in the team. I think is Yakuba then goalkeeper. So if you are missing Sonny Yakuba, it takes something out of the team. It is some of the issues as well dealing with the injuries and obviously send a new master back. It is very difficult. It's a game. Almost 4 of your key players and team mobiliary. But baby Kotoko could do. Now there will be a more chance to go there. Say Kotoko and to me and qualifier, I will not be surprised. And I think the supporters should understand say Kotoko for abo mo the intinya. Say Kobana say nipa no edi gidi na taw machi be such chance o qualify now ko anima. I think the Kotoko have done really well because CK any chance or test players in league games, only chance of or switch players in terms of anything. So it's very difficult, but I think it's maybe Omadunu. So my team qualify they've done well, but believe they can do that. They should go all out and get a first or early goal so that they will make you maintain the score line very nice. All right, but I'm not surprised when you win.
Okay, fine. You're surprised because this school for Nankasano. Oshe ball now. One more air ball. Zambia hona. Form no share any hosa. Nyame Ukraine. I think in their last 7 matches or so, no, this school share that winning match biasa in the league. They are really struggling. They have some outstanding matches in the league. I'll go so airball. You already will see it. Now, Baba, just a quick one. You didn't but Kotoko, what must they do to win?
Yeah, koyo clubs be brave. Aye near Kotoko. Then anyway, nay or da Kotoko enemy be brave accomplish, even including Kotoko themselves. Ubasha after say Onya that walkover. No be share Karobanji. Or far away in Kenya. Otimi ko pick a respectable point from Kenya. Against Cotton Sports Garoa, Kotoko Timi ko Cameroon eko winning by 3 goals to 2. And then Ubeshia Zesco all play for pride and just to appease the fans at the home. Because even scoring 100 goals by Zesco no entimi fam pasu bi amreomo. So it tells you say Kotoko is under pressure.
Hold on. Yanko color party na se me catch say Yabeko color party no yanko nienti yanko color party straight to
Adom color party 2019 no yeah the Adom FM Adom TV Asempa FM adomonline.com color party 2019 Jumediano and any say Ghana force ampa yeah the Jumediano beshisha so ewo efwa Sutherland Children's Park and a Jumediano yeah the esha so sabre sawhwame ewo Adom TV so a yewo efwa Sutherland Children's Park eha and adofo ni nyina ehyiamu a yeah the Adom FM Adom TV Asempa FM any multimedia color party 2019 yɛde ɛbrɛ Ghana for nyɔdɔfo yɛfrɛ me OPD na wohwɛ ani so hwɛ nipa apu aba efua Sutherland Children's Park a ɛsewani ɛnso ɔka kyerɛ saa bere mɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ mɛkɔ nipa no mu na me ne bebre no ayɛdɛn adwetwe nkɔmmɔ nɛnɛ no deɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ Adom FM ye programs a ye nyina ye dwumadie no live ewa ha sei enti wo hwɛ nipa abɔ chanku ewa ha kala party oh kala party kala party oh kala party
nonsia ne fa abo ebra so se ye de Adom
enti awusha for Adom TV on that ya mama feeling ni kakra enti ya mama feeling ni kakra enti babia wo bia no tutumika Nako efua Sutherland Children's Park what mom na fa onko shembi color party no na ekoso no Agoro Ne Fom Jumadi and when you Babajida we have just 1 minute to go until just use it
said na me no just as Master Banson said Kotoko must believe say they will be able to win an away match as they have previously done and make Ghanaians proud.
Thank you very much, Master Banson. Ebenezer Niyama, thank you. The message in by unfortunately, manya kwan an kind message in an farm out, but I'll say slowly, no one say politicians, taking over the football from the normalization committee. Now, Sindra was exactly 19 years Sante Kotoko. Eddie Kugo has for sign by 4-0 our Accra Sports Stadium. Mekaipa. Okay, I was for me the Kwajo Mensa Moshosho. GH Kwajo Ghana for Jina Kwajo. The crew in Ase and then Nema Koso, the WBAC. Nyami Admada Sene, Yabesan Shebium. Agoro Ne Fom. Bye bye.